In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to name alcohols according to the IUPAC rules. The name of the functional group of alcohols, which is the OH group, is normally given by the suffix OL. So we will add the suffix OL to indicate the presence of a hydroxyl group. Actually, if we have other functional groups, we will use the prefix hydroxy. Let's start with the simplest alcohol, which is methanol. So first of all, we have to find the number of carbon atoms in the main chain. In this case, we have one carbon atom. So the name of the alkane will be methane. And because we have OH group, we will drop this E and we will add the suffix OL. So this is methanol. The next alcohol will have two carbon atoms. So the name will be ethane, and then we will drop the E and add the suffix OL. So this is ethanol. However, with the chains which are longer than ethanol, so if we have more than two carbon atoms, we will use a number or a locant to show where the OH group is. Let's take an example. We have this compound. In this compound, we have three carbon atoms. So the alkane in this case is a propane. We have to remove the E and add OL. However, we have two possibilities. The hydroxyl group, which is the OH group, can be bonded at two positions. Carbon number 1, which is this one or this one, it doesn't matter, it's the same, or on carbon number 2. In this case, it's bonded to carbon number 2, so we have to specify the position of the functional group. So we will use a number. So we will write propan dash 2 dash all. So this number over here specifies the position of the functional group. In this case, we have four carbon atoms in the main chain. So it's a butane. We will remove the E and we will add the suffix OL because we have OH group. However, we have to indicate the position of the hydroxyl group. In this case, it's bonded to the first carbon atom. So we will write butan dash 1 dash all. So this means that the hydroxyl group is attached to the first carbon atom of butane. If we have more than one OH group, we will use di, tri, tetra, and so on to indicate how many hydroxyl groups there are. And of course, we have to use numbers as well to indicate the position at which they are bonded in the main chain. Let's take an example. We have this molecule where we have three carbon atoms in the main chain. Each carbon atom of these is bonded to a hydroxyl group. So we have three hydroxyl groups, and this means that we will use the prefix tri to indicate the presence of three hydroxyl groups. And because they are not bonded to the same carbon atom, we have to indicate the position of each one of them. So the name of this compound will be propane dash 1, 2, 3 dash triol. So remember that we will use comma to separate between numbers, and when we want to separate between a word or a name and a number, we will use the dash. And this compound is also known as glycerol, which may be obtained from the fats and oils found in living organisms.